Double-click VTL Open System. First click right stem. Only click the stem can the red line come up. Then click left stem. Create a red circle. For the mark position where to punch. Make the circle tangent to the mark. Sampling finished. Click the check length. Click Auto Run. If you want to save the template for next time punching, click Save Pattern. Name the file what you want. Save. Next time punch, click Load Pattern. Select a file. Preview of the pattern. The pattern is selected, then click Open. Click Auto Run. For the clear marks, for example, filled circle, it's able to directly click Check Length, then click Auto Run. For opaque substrate, switch to Upper Light. Next, show how to adjust weld value. Open Machine Parameter. Click Weld Value. Normally default automatic. If the mark not clear, click Contrast. Pull the bar to adjust the clarity. Also can adjust the lightness. Clarity adjustment done. Check the stem. Then click Sample. As long as the mark is clear and round, it's able to directly click Auto Sample. If it don't punch the target hole, open the parameter. Increase the similarity value. Finally, process running.